Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the first time I am making video in outdoor, and the video type is tutorial based. Basically, when we make any video in outdoor, especially tutorial based, it does not relevant because maximum tutorial based video record on the studio on in-house. But I think I make some different, that's why I just trying to draw this. So in this video I'm going to talk about Shopify store header design, and I have already uploaded multiple step-by-step video guideline in these years, how to make a professional Shopify online store, how to customize it, how to set up it. This is my ongoing process to share the video guideline to my audience, especially who started learning Shopify, who started their e-commerce business using Shopify, and this is actually the ultimate goal. So here I'm going to talk about Shopify header section. In the previous tutorials we have talked about the header announcement bar, how we can make announcement bar premium, professional, and how we can customize the default header top section, especially the announcement bar. In this video we are going to learn about header section. In the header section, by default you can see that there have a logo, menu bar, and three icon or few icon on the right side, but this is not like a pro header section. Especially in default Dawn theme header section, you don't get any image with menu like a mega menu in your Shopify store, and this is the main things. And another things is that you cannot add any advanced search filter or advanced search option on the header section. So this is basically an outdoor into video. In this video I'm going to show you how we can customize header section, make it premium, and add more element in the header section, and how we can do this without apps. Because I am expert on coding, I can develop a section by myself using my coding expertise. So thank you so much. Let's see, go back in my home.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Shopify store design, setup, customization and advanced development full course. And right now I'm on my home, and as I have started this video in outside, and right now in the very familiar place that you always see me in here. Okay, so let's start our project. So in the previous class we have learned how to design, customize or add advanced announcement bar on our Shopify header section or header top section, and today we are going to learn about Shopify header. So first of all, let's learn why and when to use Shopify header. This is one of the most compulsory part of any Shopify online store, of any commerce website or any website. You must have to add your header. But if you want to make any landing page, in this case if you want to make any single landing page, in this case you don't have to add header and footer. Otherwise every website must have a header. So you can see that here's the purpose. The header is the first navigation point for every visitor. It sets the brand identity like logo, color, font, and guide customers to collection. Also a well-designed header improve user experience, SEO and conversion. So overall this is one of the most important and necessary element or part of any Shopify online store or any e-commerce or any website. So when to focus to header customization? When you launch a new store, first impression is matter. But if you look at here, you see we just see that a simple very normal and header section, small menu, navigation, font size, no effect on hover, no drop down hover effect, no option on design it. It looks like very basic, and in this case we must have to customize. And another things, if you want to add multiple collection, like if you have started fashion store, beauty store, then in this case you must have to customize your header. Especially if you want to add Shopify mega menu with image collection, then you must have to customize or develop your header section. Also when optimized for mobile, header must be clean and responsive on mobile. In this case, you must have to customize your Shopify header section. Also, when branding need to stand out premium look, that is the another most important part. If you want to make it premium look, then you must have to customize your header. So in all over, if I want to explain in one sentence or one line, then I can say header is compulsory part, and a header must be pro and professional, because first of all people see your logo, typography, color, and all the things are include on the header section. So that's why you must have to make premium header section. Another things is that you can sell premium type product, your product can be pro level, but if your header design looks normal, then no value of your product quality, product picture, because people first watch your website, then your product, then they read about your product, then they read about customer review, then they will be interested to purchase this product. So I hope you understand the importance of header customization. So now we are going to learn what elements should be in the header. By default, you can see that in our header there is a logo, menu bar, menu navigation, and a few necessary icon like cart icon, profile login icon, search icon. But if you want to make it more professional, then you can add the mega menu with image, and you can add hover effect. Also, you must have to add a advanced search option with Ajax pchart, also voice search option, because people are now like to search by voice instead of typing, and it's another new trends on online. Everyone passing busy time, they have no time to type, so that's why they try to charge anything by voice, and this is another advantage to include the voice search option on your header. So also you can add wish list, currency selector, language switcher. So that's all we can do on our header section and make our header section premium. But as this is a tutorials for teach you, and your question is that how you can start it. First of all, you can customize your header section. Just go to your Shopify admin panel, then click online store, then click edit theme, and from the edit theme section you see here is a header, and from here you can use default pchart, for example menu center, search bar in the left side, and icon and icard in the right side. Also you can change the menu item list, menu type, and you can add separator line. Also you can add color scheme. For example, I'm going to add this color scheme. I can change this one, you see, and going to move it again. Okay, so you can change it, and you can select utility like show content, region selector, language selector, customer account avatar. You can do this if you available, but by default you see manage country and region in here, language selector from here, customer account avatar from here. So you have to set up it from here, and there are no more option to do. So now what we can do to make it more professional, more premium. So as you know, I'm working as a Shopify developer from last 6 years, and still now uploading video in my YouTube channel Relevant Shopify, and this YouTube channel fully focus on Shopify and SEO. Both are very relevant, because when you make your Shopify online store, then you must have to rank your store organically. Okay, so here is my YouTube channel. You have to go to on the video section, then just type header on the search bar, header, then you will find a lots of video to learn header, and type Shopify, because I have uploaded few video relevant WordPress, because I started my career as a WordPress developer and I have 12 years experience on WordPress development. Okay, so this is another history. Here you search header Shopify or Shopify header, then you will find a lots of video that help you to make pro or professional your Shopify header section. Like if you want to make header icon, change header icon color change, adjust spacing on the menu, remove header footer, you can draw this. And also here is the another header effect tutorials, and add multi-level header in the drop down, you see. Then specific menu bold, you can learn how to make specific menu bold, how to add animate sticky header, how to remove text from header, also how to make rounded drop down menu corner and reduce height, how to add CTA button on the header, a transparent header, add custom bottom in header, and here is another custom bottom in header, navigation menu, full tutorials, mega menu multi-level, hide header menu on product page specifically, different logo on header in horizon theme you will get on DOM theme also. So you see I have added multiple lots of video about Shopify header customization, development and design. So you can follow all these tutorials to make a professional Shopify header section. And after that, if you think you need custom requirement or if you have any custom require, then you can comment on the video and you can join in my WhatsApp group and send me message by WhatsApp directly that what you need to do. Then I will make video based on your requirement. Of course you have to give me time because I have to keep busy with my clients project like you. I have to keep busy working on different clients, Shopify store design, manage, development, customize or SEO. Also I have in-house marketing team. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this class is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. And of course we will continue video in this series, so stay connected. Let's see in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.